My skin is so dry and so itchy at the moment. It's crazy. I think it's because of the baseboard heating. Anyways, it's always dry. Literally, like every single day, night. Even if I wear something on my skin, even if I put moisturizer on top of moisturizer on top of moisturizer, even like all around my skin here, I would put a little bit of moisturizer and then my skin would feel good for a while, you know, like oil, sunscreen, everything. And then after that, if I stay inside or I go outside, then my skin would feel kind of depleted, as if like the moisture out of my skin just, the air just absorbed it all. So I heard about this beauty trend, right? So it is called slugging. So you basically put Vaseline all over your face after all of the steps of your skincare routine. And you know, like I was researching it a little bit, and then I know that Koreans do it in K-Beauty and a lot of other people do it. And I never heard about this trick, like, ever in my life. Like I never even thought about putting Vaseline on my skin. It's like the OG beauty trend that people really don't talk about. So basically, before I applied Vaseline on my skin, I really wanted to do some research. So I watched a couple of videos before even buying it because I was really, really desperate, especially for under my eyes. Obviously looked at a lot of articles online. So I'm going to list them down below, of course, because I'm going to be talking about them. And I also watched James Welch's video, which I love his content about skincare. It's so good. So the video is going to be listed down below, of course, if you want to go check it out, because he does talks about Vaseline and slugging and all of these things. And yeah, so I thought it was going to worsen my acne, but it turns out it is non-comedogenic. It is said everywhere that it is non-comedogenic, except for one article, which it really like misinformation, like Healthline. They say that it is comedogenic, but it's not. It's non-comedogenic. It's not going to clog your pores in any way, shape, or form. So then I jumped into this trend of slugging the face. So I know that some doctors and some dermatologists and some, like, it really depends. It's really mixed advice, right? Because some doctors will say that if you have acne, don't put it on your face. And some doctors will say, try it and see what it does to your skin. So I read into the comments, because when I go on videos like these, like a lot of people comment, and I love reading people's comments and reviews and stuff like this, just to, you know, get a little bit more of what, like, people say. A lot of people have said that it was clearing up their acne, but doctors would say the reason why you shouldn't put this with acne on your skin, or active acne as they call it, is because basically this is a protective layer and it's on top of everything, and like literally nothing comes in, nothing comes out of your skin. And that means if your skin is dirty, if you have anything under it, then it's going to trap any bacteria or whatever that is on your skin if you didn't clean it properly. So that's why they just say to avoid it, because it might worsen your acne if you don't clean your skin properly before applying it. And if, like, for example, you don't clean your hands, you apply moisturizer and then you apply Vaseline, then you know the whole process of things, right? I was like, okay, let me just try it. So they say that Vaseline is the last layer of your skincare routine. So most of the time, you're supposed to apply it at night. So that means you apply your sprays, serums, moisturizer, oils, treatments, everything. And then after that, you apply a thick layer of Vaseline on your skin to like really lock everything in. Lock the moisture and the active ingredients, because, you know, sometimes the air can absorb some of the products, some of the moisture of your skin, and you don't want to lose that. So maybe that's why my skin has been so dry, because everything is getting like sucked out of my skin from the air being so dry. And it is said, especially on the Vaseline's website, because I go on their website, Googling is my thing, you know, and it repairs cracked skin and super dry skin. So I was like, ooh, so this is good for me, I guess. So I also went on Paula's Choice website, what they say about Vaseline, or they call it Petrolatum, because I love Paula's Choice website. If you're searching for an ingredient, I highly recommend you writing the ingredient and writing Paula's Choice next to it, because their articles are just really, really well written, and they also have all of the sources at the bottom of the article, so you know that it is really, really good. So basically they say that it is a rich emollient and it is also FDA approved, so that is a good thing when you see that it is FDA approved, and it is approved as a skin protectant. And it also says that it is one of the best ingredients for dry to very dry skin, which is my case over here. Even though sometimes it can get a little bit oily, it's just, like I say, it's overcompensating because it's so dry, so it creating a lot of oils, so it's kind of like clashing with each other, and then that causes like acne on my skin and all of these things. So, and it says like it's one of the best ingredients, including around the eyes, which I didn't even think about that. Slap it under my eyes. And you know, like a lot of people have been saying like, oh my god, what you doing, girl? Like you're pulling Petrol on your face. Yeah, it's like derived from crude oils, so Petrol basically, but it's like highly purified, so it is made for cosmetic uses. So you don't have to worry about putting unwanted chemicals on your skin or anything that will be bad for your skin. So there is no risk whatsoever. And you know, I find it really funny because like there's been a negative image about Vaseline, and like in, I would say, the beauty industry, they were saying how like Vaseline is bad for the skin, and there was just like this whole thing happening. And I don't understand why, because there's like a lot of research backing like how good Vaseline is for your skin. Like, you know, like it moisturizes, repairs, protects, it's soothing, everything. But I don't know, maybe it's because like companies want to sell you something else, and then they just tell you that it's not good. and like you should buy their product instead of putting Vaseline as the last layer of your you know, skincare. Which, I mean, this product, after watching so many videos, watching James wash, everything, it is better than any product that you will put as your last skincare step. So that means this will protect you way more than anything else that you can literally buy at the store. Like the soothing, I tried it because I had like a little bit of sunburn, and I put this and I was like, oh, I feel so good. I feel so good. My skin was so dry. Then I put it on and I'm like, oh, soothing, moisturizing. My acne was hurting. I just put it on. I'm like, you know, like there's so many things after trying it. I'm like, this is the thing. And after using this literally every single night, I cannot go back. Like I have to apply this. And you know, like you wonder why Koreans, they have such beautiful skin, because they're using Vaseline. Like, they're using Vaseline, and we're over here buying so many products trying to moisturize our skin. Meanwhile, you've got this $3 product that has a lot in it, you know, or like you have $6 with anyways, bigger version. And it just works. It just works. So also on the Vaseline's website, it is said that it really helps with eczema. It's not like gonna, you know, heal it and like it's gonna be gone. No, like that's not the case. So that means they're saying that if you put moisturizer or like a cream and then you put Vaseline on top of it, it's really gonna like keep the moisture in. And the other thing that it will do is it will protect your eczema from outside pollution, outside dust or whatever, anything that you want to protect your skin from, so it doesn't worsen over time. You know, like you want to make it feel better and look better over time. So that's why Vaseline is good for eczema. And by the way, disclaimer, as always, I'm not a dermatologist, I'm not an esthetician, I'm not a skin whatever professional. I'm just Googling, and that is my thing. And that's it. And I'm just sharing my experience with you guys. And some research also that is shown, you know, online. I mean, you know, like a lot of moms, like literally everybody, they use Vaseline on their baby's butt, from rashes, to protect it from moisture if ever, you know, like they're doing these things, you know, like so it doesn't like irritate and becomes all red. So I wonder why we're not using it as adults and we just keep using it. So I personally use this one right now because I tried another one. I tried a no-name brand. It's called High Pharma. And the texture is so different. I feel like it's not as purified as this one. You know, like the other one is more like, you know, like it's kind of like a gel. It's like really like that. And then Vaseline, it's like really sticky, you know, like thicker. So I feel like this one is really better because it's more purified, and it feels better, I think. I don't know if it's in my head, but I feel like the Vaseline one is just better. It's a little bit more expensive, of course, but I'd rather pay for a good brand recognized. So this one is triple purified, fragrance-free, which is really, really important. Fragrance-free, hypoallergenic. It is a healing jelly, even though there's no healing properties. It's just the jelly by itself. And I also use some for the body now. And I bought this one. So this one is a cocoa butter healing jelly. Jerry. And it smells so yummy. Oh my god. And there's cocoa butter as well in this one, but I don't recommend this for the skin, for the face, especially that there's fragrance in there and it just smells so yummy. God, it smells so good. Anyways, there's the baby one next to it also, and there's the fragrance in it. It smells so good. I'm like, do I put this one or I put the other one? I might buy the other one too. I don't know. But because it's so inexpensive. And I mean, you have it for so long. And you don't need that much to apply it on your body. Anyways, there's another one that people have been talking about. I didn't try it yet. It is the CeraVe Healing Ointment. There is ceramides in it, the petroleum jelly, and other stuff that is really, really good for the skin. So maybe this one would be better because there's added benefits to it. I have no idea. I just use plain Vaseline for now. And then I'll see if I buy something else to try and put all over the body. My hands are so dry. My feet are so dry. Everything is so dry. And then I put my feet, on my feet, I put the Vaseline yesterday. And then I put my socks and I slept with my socks. And I'm telling you, like my feet were so much better. They were so silky smooth and like baby's feet. Like it was crazy. I'll show you what I do for my skincare. Okay, so that's what it looks like if you don't know. And it doesn't smell like anything. So I just put like a little bit on my finger. And this one like is more, like I told you, a little bit more like stretchy, you know? Like you can feel it. But then you can really like blend it into your skin. So I put a little bit. And I tried it under makeup. And on me, it works even under makeup. And I feel like if I put this under my makeup, it's like, it's not going to go into the pores of my skin. And then before I apply my makeup, of course, I'm going to wait like, you know, a while because I don't want this to like go around and everything because my skin does absorb literally everything. So, and then even that, like if I apply makeup and I have too much on my skin, I just pass a little something on my skin or like, and it's just going to help. So a Vaseline under my eyes. It feels literally so good. Like I know my skin looks very sluggy right now, but it feels so good that I really don't care what it looks like. I don't care whatsoever. And then for my neck, I would go with this one because it just smells so yummy. Oh my god, it smells so good. And oh, by the way, it has been helping so much with my acne. It is crazy. I've never seen anything work so good with my acne. I feel like my skin barrier was probably like damaged and then the Vaseline just helped me like heal my barrier a little bit and it's just getting better. And I feel like the acne here that I had that I talked to you guys in yesterday's video, I think, is because I didn't clean my skin properly after applying makeup. I was so tired. I just literally passed something on my skin, put maybe a bit of moisturizer and didn't do anything else. And I think that's where I broke out. But look at here. It's so much better. It feels so much less inflamed. It's really crazy, to be honest. I really like it. Oh, and by the way, Vaseline for your lips, like if you buy the little tiny thingy, I feel like, you know, like I love the LaNeige lip sleeping mask. I really love it. Love it. But I feel like Vaseline is a dupe for it. I know it sounds crazy, okay? But Vaseline is a dupe and it's way cheaper. This is $26. It looks cute, right? I think when I finish it, I'm going to keep it and put Vaseline in it. But it's a dupe. It's literally a dupe. The only thing is Vaseline will have a more kind of like, it's not very luminous, you know? So I'm going to put it on my lips so you're going to see. So it's not very luminous. It's more like a lip gloss with less shine. It's like semi-matte. As you can see, like it's not completely like shiny. It's kind of like whitish a little bit. But this, it gives you very, very good luminosity on it. But to be honest, Vaseline is definitely a winner just because of the price and everything. It's super inexpensive. And yeah. And oh, if you are using Vaseline for the body, I've tried both. I tried using only Vaseline and I tried putting it on top of moisturizer, right? I highly recommend you putting moisturizer under the Vaseline. It's gonna like moisturize you so much more than if you put only Vaseline. And I also tried only Vaseline on my skin, nothing else, versus putting the products under. And I see a huge difference when I put products under. And then if I only put Vaseline, I feel like it's still dry, it's still itchy, but there's something on my skin. So make sure to really put moisturizer, all your treatments, everything under, and then put Vaseline on top. And I don't recommend you maybe try it only at night at first. And if you're really, really dry, like spot treat some areas like under the eyes, the lips and everything, and you're going to be so moisturized and gorgeous. And you're always gorgeous, girl. It's just, we want to improve ourselves in the best way possible. So anyways, that is my video for today. I really hope that you like it. Talking about slugging and Vaseline, so funny. I don't know why I haven't been doing that my entire life. And I feel like I'm gonna protect myself from wrinkles as well. So if you liked it, make sure to like the video. Comment down below what you think about Vaseline on your face, slugging, whatever term you want to use, because that term is just new, but Vaseline on the face is not. And thank you so much for subscribing, staying subscribed, and watching my content. It really means the world to me. And if you're not already subscribed, make sure to subscribe to my channel, because I do post 5 videos a week, Monday through Friday, most of the time. And I really hope that you enjoy it. So thank you so much again for watching. I really, really love you, beauties, and I will definitely see you in the next one. Bye, beauties.